So here is the bass part for South Australia. It's all done on the second string and the third string, and most of it is basically on the third fret actually, with occasional moves to the fifth fret on the third string. So if I play just the first half, it's all on the third fret, and it goes. Okay, so second string, third, second, third, second, third, second. All right, then the second half of it, a little bit trickier, but still doable. So you go, then this time you're going to go to the string below and play 3, 5, and then 3 to the top, 3 to the second string. So it goes, and then back to the fifth it goes, 5, 3. So once again the second half goes 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3. So putting together the whole bass part goes. Second half. And if we do it this full speed, three, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3.